Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Practice World. I am Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm David.
How are you today, Tom?
I'm great, thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
The sun is shining. I like sunny days. And you, Emily? How are you?
I am very good, thanks. I am also happy. I am excited
Excited. Why?
because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
Oh, a big topic. What is it?
Today, we talk about how to train your brain to speak English.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain.
What if I told you that speaking English is not about having a perfect memory or learning thousands of words?
What if your brain is already powerful enough to speak English? You just haven't trained it the right way?
Stay with us because today we'll show you simple brain training techniques that can make English feel easier, faster, and more natural.
By the end of this video, you'll have exercises you can start today, and you'll never practice English the same way again.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We're so happy you're here. If you've ever said, I understand English, but I can't speak, don't worry. You're not alone. Millions of English learners feel exactly the same.
The good news? You're not bad at English. Your brain simply needs different training. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Reading a book about riding doesn't make you a great cyclist. You have to practice. Speaking English works exactly the same way.
Today, we're going to train your brain, not just fill it with grammar rules. Are you ready? Say it with us. I can train my brain to speak English. Pause the video if you need to. Say it out loud. Great job.
Why your brain stops you from speaking. Here's a question. Have you ever known the answer? But when someone asks you in English, your mind suddenly becomes empty?
That's completely normal. Your brain is searching for words. It wants everything to be perfect. But speaking isn't about perfection. It's about communication. Children don't wait until they know every word. They just start talking. That's why they improve so quickly.
Your goal isn't perfect English. Your goal is confident English. Remember this sentence. Done is better than perfect. Let's repeat together.
Done is better than perfect. Excellent. Brain training. Rule number 1. Think in English. Many learners do this. They think in their language, then translate, then speak. That takes too much time.
Instead, start thinking directly in English. Don't worry, we're starting very small. Look around your room. What do you see? Maybe a chair, a table, a phone, a window? Now say them in English. Go ahead, we'll wait. Great. Now make tiny sentences. The chair's brown. My phone is black. The window's open. That's it. Simple. Your brain is beginning to think in English.
Quick challenge. Ready? You have 5 seconds. Look around you. Say 3 things in English. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How did you do? Amazing. Keep practicing every day.
Brain training. Rule number 2, speak every single day. Here's another secret. Your brain learns through repetition, not through one long study session. 5 minutes every day is much better than 1 hour once a week.
Imagine brushing your teeth. You don't brush for 7 hours on Sunday. You brush every day. English is the same. Speak a little every day, even if you're alone, even if you make mistakes. Especially if you make mistakes. Mistakes help your brain learn.
Now it's time for a quiz. Tell me, which is better? Practice once a week for 1 hour, or practice 5 minutes every day? Think. The answer is 5 minutes every day. Exactly. Consistency beats intensity.
Brain training rule number 3. Copy native speakers. Babies learn by copying. You can too. Listen. Repeat. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the emotion. Let's try. Listen first. I'm really excited today. Now repeat. I'm really excited today. Again. A little faster. I'm really excited today. Excellent.
Don't just copy the words, copy the feeling. Happy, surprised, excited, calm. Your English becomes more natural.
Shadowing practice. We're going to do something called shadowing. That means you speak immediately after us. Ready? I like learning English. Your turn. My English gets better every day. Your turn. I am not afraid to speak. Your turn. Fantastic. Your brain loves this kind of practice.
Quick question. What's one English sentence you already know? Say it right now, out loud, and don't whisper. Wonderful. Every sentence you speak makes your brain stronger.
Brain training rule number 4. Learn phrases, not single words. Many students memorize vocabulary like this. Apple, book, happy, beautiful, that's okay. But your brain remembers phrases much better. Instead of learning hungry, learn I'm hungry. Instead of tired, learn I'm really tired. Instead of busy, learn I'm busy right now.
When you learn complete phrases, your brain can use them immediately. No translation, no confusion, just speaking.
Host 1. Let's practice together. I'll ask. You answer. Ready? How are you today? Maybe you said, I'm great. I'm fine. I'm tired. Perfect. Next question. What are you doing? You could say that I'm watching YouTube. I'm learning English. I'm drinking coffee. Excellent work.
Brain training. Rule number 5. Talk to yourself. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to work. I'm cleaning my room. I'm watching TV. Nobody has to hear you. Your brain is practicing speaking. That's what matters.
Professional athletes practice alone.
Quiz number 2. True or false? Talking to yourself in English helps your brain think. The answer is true. Absolutely.
Brain training rule number 6. Stop being afraid of mistakes. Let's be honest. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Have you ever forgotten a word in your own language? Of course. So don't expect perfection in English.
Every mistake teaches your brain something new. Instead of saying, I made a mistake, say, I learned something. That's a much better mindset. Let's repeat. I learned from my mistakes. Again, I learned from my mistakes. Beautiful.
Smiled, yes, right now. Did you know smiling helps you feel more relaxed? A relaxed brain learns faster. Take a deep breath. Smile. Let's continue.
Brain training. Rule number 7. Use English in real life. Learning doesn't stop after this video. Use English everywhere. Change your phone language, read simple signs, watch short videos, listen to podcasts, write shopping lists. Think in English while walking. The more your brain sees English, the more normal it becomes.
Daily 5-minute brain workout. Here's a simple routine. Minute 1, think in English. Minute 2, read something aloud. Minute 3, repeat after a native speaker. Minute 4, talk about your day. Minute 5, review your favorite phrases. Just 5 minutes. That's all. Do it every day. You'll be surprised how much you improve.
Now time for quiz number 3. Which sentence is better? I hungry or I'm hungry? Think. That's right. I'm hungry. Complete phrases help your brain remember faster. Excellent job.
Final speaking challenge. Now let's put everything together. Repeat after us. My name is... Your turn. I am learning English every day. Your turn. I am becoming more confident. Your turn. I am not afraid to speak. Your turn. I can train my brain. Your turn. I can speak English. Your turn. Amazing. Listen to yourself. You're already speaking English.
Motivation. Remember, speaking English isn't magic, it's training. Your brain changes every time you practice. Every sentence matters. Every mistake matters. Every day matters. Some days you'll feel confident. Some days you'll struggle. That's normal. Keep going. Small progress every day becomes big success over time.
Final summary. Today you learned 7 powerful brain training strategies. Think in English. Practice every day. Copy native speakers. Learn phrases. Talk to yourself. Don't fear mistakes. Use English in real life. These habits are simple, but they are incredibly powerful. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to subscribe because every week we bring easy, practical English lessons to help you speak with confidence.
And before you leave, tell us in the comments, what is one English sentence you can say confidently today? We'll read your answers and we can't wait to cheer you on.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next lesson. Happy learning! and keep speaking English every single